Hello, we have been discussing squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. And square roots we have calculated using, and for calculation of the square root there are two methods. First one was the by prime factorization. So if a large number is provided to us, we can use the prime factorization method, or there is one more method, that is division method. Sometimes we call it as long division method as well. Division method. So prime factorization method we have discussed, that is by finding the prime factors of a number, then we pair them, and from each pair we are taking one number. Today we will be discussing division method. So from exercise 3 I am taking third question, second part, 2304, and we have to find its square root, that is 2304. Its square root we have to calculate using division method. So how we will proceed? First we will write the number 2304. Now we have to pair them. So from left side, from this side we will pair first pair, second pair. From this side we will start. So we will pair the number from this side. One pair, second pair. We paired it. Now we have to find a number. We have to find a number, a greatest number we have to find such that its square does not exceed 23. So for example, I am taking 1, its square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Now number is 23. So 5, if I am going with 5 square is 25. So square of 5 exceeds 23. So we will be going with 4. 4 square equal to 16. Square of 4 does not exceed 23. So 4 is that greatest number. 4 is that greatest number whose square does not exceed 23. So we will be writing here 4, and this is our quotient. So we will be dividing by 4 into 4, 16. Write 16 here. So this is our quotient, 4 into 4, 16. Now the remainder is 7. Now this whole pair will be writing here 0, 4, 7, 0, 4. And here we will be adding plus 4. It will be 8. Write it here, leave some space here. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now what digit we should put here? What digit we should put here such that 8 and digit here, it is multiplied with the same digit. 8 and the digit, and it is multiplied by the same digit such that whatever product comes, it does not exceed this number, that is 704. It does not exceed this number. So we can check as well. Take these two numbers and take 8. 8 sounds are 56. 8 8 ja 64. 8 9 ja 72. So we will try with 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 8 8 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry. 8 8 ja 64, 7 0 4. So when a number we are taking as 8, and it is multiplied with 88, the product comes out to be 704, and 704 does not exceed this number. They are the same number, they are equal. So we will put here 8, here as well 8, 704, and the remainder is 0. So we do not have to proceed further. We got the answer, that is 48, that is root of 2304 equal to 48. So what we did see again, we made the pair. First we will pair. So start from this side, 0 4 1 pair, other pair 3 2 3 2 2 3 0 4. Now we'll take one number, one greatest number such that its square does not exceed 23, and that greatest number is 4. Its square does not exceed 23. So we write here 4, here 4, here quotient we are getting. So 4, 4 ja 16, 4 square is 16. So remainder we got 7. Now we have to write this pair whole 0, 4. Now add 4 to it, 4 plus 4. The same number we have to add here. 4 plus 4, it will be 8. And here we do not know what digit will be coming. So how to find this digit? So this digit will be 8 and this digit into the same digit, such that whatever product we are getting here, it should not exceed 704. So by seeing which number will be here, we came to know that 8, 8. If we multiply, we put 8 here, 8. When we multiply them as 88 into 8, when we are multiplying these two numbers, we are getting 704, and this number does not exceed this number. So, and the remainder is 0. So the answer is 48, root of 48. Let us take fourth, that is 55225. Its root we have to calculate. So what we will do? First we will write the number we have written, and from this side we will start pairing them. One pair, second pair, and it remains alone. So we have to find the greatest number such that that number's square does not exceed 5. So that number will be, so if I take 2, 2 square it is 4, 3 square it is 9. So the greatest number will be 2, and this square does not exceed 5. 3 square, it exceeds 9, it exceeds 5, therefore we will go with 2. Write 2 here, here 2. And this square, 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 2 square, it is 4. Remainder will be 1. Now second, this whole will be writing here 152. This whole pair will be written here 152, and here plus 2, it will be 4, and here we have to find one digit such that 4 and that digit 4, that digit when multiplied with the same number here and here, whatever product comes does not exceed 152, does not exceed 152. So here we can check 4, take these two numbers and this digit, 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. So first check with 3, 43 into 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 129. We can check 4 into 4. This number does not exceed this number. Check with 4, 4 4 ja 16. 1 carry 4 4 ja 16, 176. When we are taking 4, then this, the product exceeds 152. So we'll go with this one, that is 3. Here we put 3, 43. Here 3. So 43 into 3, we are getting 129. Take the remainder, it will be 3, 2 here, and now take this one, 2 5 we have to write here. This whole pair will be writing here, 2 3 2 5. Now add this digit plus 3. Add this digit, we are getting 46, and again we have to find the digit here, 46, and this digit we have to find. So this number and this digit, they have to be same, so their product should not exceed this number, should not exceed this number. So 46, how much we should multiply? 46 into 5. If I go with 5, that is 465 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30, 32, 3 carry, 5 4 are 20, 23. So this number does not exceed this number. They are equal numbers, same number, 2 3 2 5. Here what will be writing? 5. write here 5, and the remainder is 0, or cross you can put. So square root of 5525, that is square root of 55225 equal to how much? It is 235. Now sixth, 425104. Its square root we have to find using division method. So we write the number again, 425104. Pair them, one pair, second and third. Now first find the number, find the greatest number whose square does not exceed 42, whose square does not exceed 42. So if I go with 5 is square equal to 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So 7 square, 7 we cannot take. Now greatest number will be 6, whose square does not exceed 42. So here I will be writing 6. 6 is 36, 6 square is 36. Now the remainder will be 6. Write them 5 1. The whole pair will be writing here 6 5 1. Now add plus 6. The same number we have to add. It will be 12, and here we have to find the digit. So 1 2, and the digit we have to find here, multiply with the same number, and whatever product comes, it should not exceed 651. It should not exceed 651. So here you can check, take these two digits, leave one. Here as well leave one digit. 12 5 0 60. 12 6 0, it exceeds. So 12 5 0 we check. 1 2 5 into 5. It comes out to be 625. 5 5 0 25. To carry 5 2 0 10, and it comes out to be 625. And 625, or we can check one more, that is 126 into 6. 6 is 36, 3 carry, it will be 5 600, it will be 756. Now when we take 6, it exceeds, the product exceeds 651. So we'll go with 5. Put here 5, here 5. Here will be 625, remainder will be 6, 2. 26 will be remainder here, and now write them down 404. Here the number will be, we have to add the same digit here, plus 5. It will be 130, and here digit we have to calculate. So 130. What digit should be here such that when I multiplied with the same number, we get a product. The product should not exceed this number. Product should not exceed this number. So here you can check as well. Take two digits here. Last two digits you leave. 13, 2s are 26. So if I go with 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 6, 2. We are getting a number, the product of 1302 and 2. This product is not exceeding this number. So we are going with 2. Here write 2. 2, 6, 0, 4, and the remainder is 0. Therefore we can write root of 425104. It is equal to 652. You can check as well. How to check? 652 into 652. If the product of these two numbers, the square of this number comes out to be this number, the square root is correct. Now you have to complete exercise 3, question 3. Exercise 3, question 3 you have to complete.